Ladies and gentlemen, here we are with a pre-release kit of Aether Revolt. It is 12/27 on release night, and I will be cracking 3 of these open over the next couple days. My search for a masterpiece will continue through Aether Revolt. Sit back, relax, enjoy this wonderful pre-release. Now let's get cracking. No art. Get this really nice box. If I can open it. Push. Oh, there's a little lock. Look at that. There's your dice. One, 2, 3, 4. Kaladesh. Nice little sticker. And for the pre-release card, we have, look at that, Kari Zev Skyship Raider. Rare foil. Look at that. I'm not going to post any prices in this video because, as you guys I'm sure are aware, it is ridiculous the fluctuations we have with prices at pre-release. You know, things are just all out of whack. I can say it's $3 and it's $1 and vice versa. I just don't think it's worth posting prices. So we'll jump right into the Kaladesh packs. Fretwork Colony, Roller Maker, Glimmer of Genius, Inspiring Vantage. Not a bad card to pull at all. We'll leave Inspiring down there. Next one. Who knows, maybe I can pull a masterpiece out of here. My quest would be over pretty early. Cloud Blazer, Iron League Steed, Speedway Fanatic, Madcap Experiment, and a Mountain. On to Aether Revolt. Wish me luck. Gotta get it open. Well, let's go through everything for Aether Revolt, shall we? Dawn Feather Eagle, Embrawl Gear Smasher, Aether Swooper, High Spire Infusion, Cruel Finality, Prize Fighter Construct, Mobile Garrison, Sweatworks Brawler. Now has Improvise. Your artifacts can help cast this spell. Each artifact you tap after you're done activating mana abilities pays for 1. Menace. Renegade Map. Bastion Inventor. Shielded Aether Thief. Reverse Engineer. Aerial Modification. And another Kari Zev Skyship Raider. 2 for 1. First Strike Menace. Whenever Kari Zev Skyship Raider attacks, create a legendary 2/1 red monkey creature token named Rangavin. That's tapped and attacking. Exile that token at the end of combat. That's pretty cool. Maybe we can find a 2/1 red monkey creature named Rangavin. And an island. And an energy. We'll leave Kari down there. On to the next one. Precise Strike, Aether Swooper, Ally Evasion, Prey Upon, Renegade's Getaway, I'm sorry. You guys know I can't ever pronounce the names. Lifecraft Cavalry, Aether Inspector, Implement of Malice, Reservoir Walker, Shielded Aether Thief, Aeronaut Admiral, Monstrous Onslaught, and a Scrap Trawler. Artifact creature construct. Whenever Scrap Trawler or another artifact you control is put into the graveyard from the battlefield, return to your hand target artifact card in your graveyard with lesser converted mana cost. And our first foil, Verdant Automaton. It is 2-drop, 1/2, 4 mana, 3 colorless or 3 any, and a forest. Put a 1/1 counter on Verdant Automaton. So we'll put that one there. We're going to put this one here so everyone can see. I think that was well received in the last video. Make sure everything's down so we can see it. Aether Chaser, Leave in the Dust, Decommission, Renegade's Getaway, High Spire Infusion, Implement of Combustion, Aegis Automaton, Verdant Automaton, Countless Gears Renegade, Restoration Specialist, Treasure Keeper, Consulate Dreadnought, 7/11, and Consulate Crackdown. When Consulate Crackdown enters the battlefield, exile all artifacts your opponent controls until Consulate Crackdown leaves the battlefield. Interesting. And Reckless Bracer. We have a second foil. It is a 3 mana, 2/3, first strike. Whenever Reckless Racer becomes tapped, you may discard a card. If you do, draw a card. We're going to put that one right on top. And the last pack for this video, like I said, I'll do a couple more. Probably like one every other day. Something like that. I bought 2 more. Now we'll just make it nice and quick, hopefully. Dispersal Technician, Audacious Infiltrator, Shock, Night Market Aeronaut, Aether Herder, Foundry Assembler, Implement of Improvement, Sweatworks Brawler, Consulate Turret, Bastion Inventor, Ravenous Intruder, Crackdown Construct, Perilous Predicament, and Greenbelt Rampager. When Greenbelt Rampager comes into play, or enters the battlefield, pay 2 energy. If you can't, return Greenbelt Rampager to its owner's hand and you get 1 energy. So, it is 1 forest, 3/4, a little bit of another play, and swamp. So, that's it for this pack. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Thank you guys again. Thank you for hitting like and subscribe and leaving comments. I always read through most of the comments and try to implement, all the things you guys want to see and the changes you want to make. I do my best to put out material that you guys want to watch. So thank you again. Have a good night and happy hunting when you crack those packs.